channel. Don't forget to tell your mama, tell your friends, tell your aunts and uncles, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters to come and join the squad, man. The takeover squad, that is, if you wondering. The family. We're growing. I want to say thank y'all for the support. I appreciate it. I've been getting messages on Instagram. So I thank you for that. Thank you for commenting and leaving me some feedback. But anyway, we're about to get into this video. Stay tuned. Guys, welcome to Momo'S YouTube channel. Today, I'm about to do a mukbang for you guys. I got some ham. That look good. A piece fell out. That look good. This a honey ham. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. I ain't really ate nothing. I've been asleep. Ain't been feeling that well. And I got some bread. Normally I don't eat a lot of bread, but I was like, yeah, I got a lot of ham in here. I mostly try to stay away from the bread because of the calories, and my body don't store it well or whatever. And bread is not good for you either on top of that. But look at this ham right here. Yes, Lord, on God. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna take that, break me off some bread, and fold it like that right there. Make a little nice light sandwich. Also got me a cold bottle of water as well. And I just want to say I am like super, super excited. Because I'm finally getting feedback on my videos. And it's made me so happy to continue doing what I'm doing. I am like super, super excited. I want y'all to go check out my videos. I said I'll be posting 4 times a week. Wow, I think I've been doing a video almost every day so far. I haven't skipped a beat. So that was a little bit too much bread on that one. So I need some water. So with that being said, I'm back. Y'all, Father's Day is coming up. And I don't know what to get my dad for Father's Day, man. He do so much for me. Like, he gave me life. I came out of his sperm. His little sacky, or whatever the case may be. I don't know what to do for my father. I mean, he do a whole lot for me. I mean, I cook for him and stuff like that, but I don't know what to get my dad. If I could give him the world, I would. I'm just being honest. And my boyfriend, he not a father yet, so I can't get him nothing. But he got me. That's enough. That's a whole enough. I'm a whole meal plus a snack on the side. I'm enough. I got problems. I am so silly. Man, this ham is good. Y'all want some? I know y'all like, man, that shit look dry. It's really not that dry. I pulled the juice off the ham. And I ain't gonna eat too much of it because last night I ate a little. Yesterday I ate some. But last night I had like a headache or whatever. Over migraine. And I didn't feel like myself. So I went to bed early. Anyway, I'm just up here rambling, really. Sorry about my video I posted yesterday. I didn't have a light. And it was raining. And so I got my curtain open and y'all can see me better, so I like that. Y'all, I talk with my hands. I don't know why. They said people that talk with their hands is deadly. I'm a lover, not a fighter. I just talk with my hands. I don't know why I do that. Shout out to my homie Nick. Shout out to Jazz's World. Babe, I'm going to shout you out too. Love you. And also, shout out to my father. Shout out to Bobby. Y'all don't know these people I'm shouting out. But I know y'all supporting me. And I appreciate it. And Pen, I got your message this morning. I'm shouting you out. Thank you for the support, man. I appreciate it. They wrote on my on one of my videos that they was my #1 fan and they loved my videos. So thank you. I appreciate you. Y'all. No, I'm a foodie. I like to eat. I didn't get big for no reason, you feel me? So, let me tell y'all. Bae decides to surprise me one day with this snack crate. And if y'all don't know what a snack crate is, a snack crate is a box about like this right here, this big, and it comes with different snacks like around the world. And man, them snack crate boxes, y'all want some? Yum, 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 yum. Talk about, yeah, my, hey. Okay, so anyway, the snack crate box that I had got, it was from Berlin. And I had one from Canada. About the snack crate box, man, it came with chocolate. It came with, like Twizzlers. It came with, you could get a drink, something sour, something sweet, something crunchy, potato chips. It came with like a whole lot of stuff, and like little bitty candies about like that big. So like, snack crate, only paid $1 for it, and that's when you catch them on sale or whatever. But snack crate, they the shits. I love them. And you get a box it's a monthly box. You get it a month, but they do charge a card for that next box. And I like it. I wish I could start back doing it or whatever. But I really do like it because that right there would be a good idea to unbox a snack crate box on YouTube and describe everything and do like the reviews of it and taste everything in the box and let y'all see my funny faces. Cause we done had a box from Ghana, Africa, and oh my, bruh, that shit was nasty. Like nasty. And man, shout out to Canada. Canada, that box was on point. Y'all blessed my soul that day. Like, I like to try weird and different stuff. Foods from different countries. I mean, I ain't gonna never travel that far, but I just like to try different weird things and everything like that. And if it's nasty, it's nasty. If it's good, it's good. I mean, some stuff that I get, it be nasty. Some stuff I get be good. And not only that, man, this ham almost gone. I've been feeding my dog. Sorry, I had a phone call. Mm. I got another question. It's like for a person that haven't really ate nothing all day, this goes for anybody. Some people, mostly girls, I don't understand this. It's like when we get food and we ain't ate nothing really all day, and when we get food, it's like we just start dancing. Some people start rocking. Some people start singing. Like, I don't know. I guess us girls like to eat, man. But men, they don't do that. I'm like, my boyfriend be like, babe, you okay? I be like, yeah, baby, I'm fine. I was just hungry. I was hungry. Because normally, I stay up to about 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, smoking my CBD, and playing the game, Bankrupt, and I don't go to bed, and that's why I go to bed or whatever, and then when I wake up, it'd be like 2 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, or whatever. So, I be hungry. Like, I don't really eat breakfast in the morning like that. I'm just not a morning type of person. You catch me in the afternoon or the middle of the day. I'm just being honest. But I want me some seafood so bad. Like, I got a taste for it. I want some seafood. I want some shrimp. I want some crab legs, some corn, and some red potatoes. Man, I remember one night I was riding with my cousin, and bruh, I was scared for my life. I thought I was gonna die today. Man, I thought we hit the median. And my life flashed in front of my eyes. I was like, Lord help me. Lord help me. I'll never do it again. And then it was another time where I was intoxicated. I thought I was going to jail this night. But God saw it fit. I was driving somebody's car. I ain't gonna say no names. And I was intoxicated. I was on pills. I was on alcohol, weed. I was on a whole lot of stuff that night. And I was supposed to pick somebody up from work. And I stopped by the store. And I was somewhere where I really didn't know the streets that well, so I didn't know which way to go. So I technically came out of the parking lot of the store. And I was supposed to go to the right. Let me tell y'all. I was so out of it. I tried to cut across to incoming traffic to go over the median and go to the stoplight. Instead of me going all the way down and making a U-turn. And before I knew it, he said, "They go to police." And when he said, "They go to police," I sobered up so quick. I was like, yo, okay, what the hell? So I pulled over. Click, click. Zoom, zoom. Park that bitch. I pulled over. So I was going to go to jail. And the officer was like, "Ma'am, have you been drinking at night?" "No, officer, I sure ain't." And I was fucked up to the max, like, to the max. And so, after that, I had to call my cousin, tell her I done caught a ticket on her car. Y'all, make a long story short, God is good. There is a God. Y'all, subscribe down below, man. Give this video a thumbs up. Video a thumbs up, video a thumbs up, video a thumbs up, video a thumbs up, man. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, join the family. And comment down below. Tell me what you think. Talk to me. Tell me, have you ever been in a situation like this? So I also caught that ticket. She had to come get her car. Man, I had to go to court for 4 months. I was scared of pleading guilty. But that 4th month, I went to the courtroom. You know what that judge told me? And it was a lady that before me that did the same thing I did, but she was intoxicated. He gave her 47. 4 years and 7 months of probation. Me, he was trying to give me 47. Well, it was a lady, my bad. I ain't never been to court before like that before, so I was kind of scared. Plus, I was high, too, as well, when I was going to court. So, with that being said, excuse me, I burped. So, with that being said, the DA was like, "Do you plead guilty or not guilty?" I said, "Well, I plead guilty. I did it. I ain't gonna lie, I did it." And so, the judge was like, "I'm gonna give you 47. 47. And I didn't know what she was talking about. So when she said 47, I'm looking like 47 minutes, 47 hours. Like, what are you talking about? She was like, "I'm going to give you 47. And I was like, "What's 47? But I'm gonna cut you a break." Cut me a break? Like, man, I'm supposed to be in jail. But God saw fit. He got me up out of that situation. Situation. So, I can't drive for the rest of my life at all. Nothing. It better be a bike or a scooter. I said, well, damn. I need some water. I was like, well, okay. I'll take that. They told me if I ever get in any more trouble at all dealing with a vehicle, I'm going to jail. I took that to heart, because I said if I ever go to jail, I'm going to say, "What a gay section at, please." I'm not lying. I'm a bisexual. I don't want to go to jail. I shout out to the people that's behind them balls. Shout out to y'all, man. But to be honest, I'm really scared to go to jail. So ever since that day, I learned my lesson not to drink and drive and do all that stuff. And if you ain't got no license, then you don't need to be behind the wheel of no kind of motor vehicle. I don't care what it is. Because it only takes one time to mess up your life. You got to depend on other people to take you here, other people to take you there. You got to pay cash for that. You ain't got no buses, so you got to ride a bike or buy you a moped. I try to get me a moped. I can't even do that because I got to have a license for it. You feel me? So with that being said, y'all, think before you do stuff, man. Think before you do stuff. I was just 21 thinking like, alright, whatever, I'm just 21, whatever. But that one time, man, it messed me up and I learned my lesson. And since then, I haven't been in no more trouble at all. No, hell no. If I can't get nobody to take me nowhere or get a cab to go somewhere or get my boyfriend to do something for me or my dad, then I don't go nowhere. I stay home. I ain't got time for it. You feel me? I'm just keeping it 100. But anyway, y'all, this video is over. Kids, stop bullying. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And join the family. Follow me on IG. And join the Takeover family, man. The Takeover Squad Explosives. And we out.